How to convert your vacant land into rental income properties. Hi, I am Otish, Stepstone Promoters Managing Director. Recently, we are doing in a project, turnkey project in Tambaram. I just want to share how we started this project. We have a client in Tambaram. We know that he is having a good land parcel in Tambaram where there is a good residential rental demand is there. Okay, so we just gone to the client and we just given a proposal that okay, sir, you are holding the vacant land. It doesn't give you any value. Okay, why not you convert this vacant land into a rental yielding property? He was impressed, and now he is just asked us in a suggestion. Okay, then we given him a two suggestion. One, he have a lot of land parcel in near Tambaram. We just requested him either sell that land parcel and make one proper vacant land into in a building where we can convert vacant land into a rental yielding property. That's how the property which you're seeing now, still plus 3 structures we have designed. For each floor will have 2 apartments, so 6 apartments we have planned here, and expected rental of 20,000 per month and 1.2 lakhs of rental income per month we have planning to generate from this vacant land. When it is for vacant land, they doesn't have any rental income property from that land. Okay, so we just suggested him either you sell a piece of land nearby for the construction cost and construct, and second we have given one more option. Since the client is having a good profile, he can take a home loan. Say today in home loan we are getting at 7%, which is very cheapest at this current scenario. Okay, no loan we can't get at 7% per annum. So we suggested, since you have a good profile, you can go for a home loan, construction loan. That's a construction loan at rate of 7%. And second, you also have advantage of tax saving, because whatever the interest we are paying to the bank, we can claim that interest from the IT, so you have an income tax benefit. And third, when we said no to take a loan, he also had a mindset why you have to take have to pay a loan this for 20 years. No, we said you take loan for 20 years, but obviously what happens, your rental will increase every 2 years or 3 years once by 5 or 10%, whereas your income remains constant. So after 3 years, whatever the additional revenue which you are going to get as a rental income, you pre-close the principal amount of your loan, so that you will pre-close the loan by 10 to 12 years. By 10 to 12 years, your loan will get closed. Okay, so once I said no, client was very happy and impressed. That's how we have took off this project. Okay, so friends, if you have any vacant land, don't keep that land as a vacant. Previously I've just spoke about a lot of videos about land grabbing and all other issues. So don't keep vacant land. You convert your vacant land into revenue generating property, either by selling your other asset and construct here, or if you are eligible of loan, you can go for a loan and you can construct it. Third, one more option is there. If you don't have any property to sell or construct, if you didn't have any profile to raise funds, then third option is you can go for a joint venture. Joint venture I've done previous. We can refer my previous videos on joint venture. Joint venture is nothing but giving your land. Builder will invest for approval, construction, and finishing and everything. So you will share the property in such a ratio. There like 50-50 or 60-40, whatever it may be, based on the location and land price, it will be derived. So based on the ratio, you both can share the property. So whatever the share you get, you can generate a rental revenue from that property. So you have 3 options. So my suggestion is, if you have any property, think of converting that vacant land. If you have any vacant land, think of converting that vacant land into a rental income property, so that you can also have a peaceful retirement life. So if you took loan after 10-12 years, if you close that loan, after that whatever the rental income coming from that property will be helpful for you for a peaceful retirement life. Hope this video is useful for you. Soon I will just see you in another video. Thank you.
Hey friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook for regular updates.